small unboxing in here regarding those pumps. It comes in such a box. Let's open that. Oh, what's that? Oh, I know. This is an installation notice which comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 languages. Then this information is very important because it teaches mechanics that they have to adapt this little device, because it's electrical, to the car, to the vehicle itself. As you can see, it has been manufactured with a really strong attention to details. Okay, let's leave this one. Let's open another one. I thought I will need a knife, but no, it's already open. Okay. Oh, again, the installation notice. It's same story. 12 languages. So in each European country you can sell that. And what we have here? Oh, now we will need a knife. Let's take this pump out. I'm sorry. Okay. So it's a pump. It's electrical. It's auxiliary. I can see that this was really perfect quality. It guarantees sustainability of offer, because it is in all kind of hybrids and electrical vehicles. It has really competitive price, and its fast moving range, because those 18 SKUs which NRF has introduced as the first one will be extended to much more.